Somewhere in kitchens and pantries, a can of corned beef sits quietly on a shelf, waiting patiently for someone. Families store canned corned beef in emergency supply kits, valuing how cheap, filling, and long-lasting it truly is. Military rations and disaster relief kits both depend on the same trusted product: sealed, shelf-stable canned corned beef. Almost nobody stops to think about how that meat got sealed inside metal and made safe for months. Long before refrigeration existed, canning solved the problem of preserving meat safely for extended periods of time.
Factories like this produce millions of corned beef cans every single year to meet constant global demand.
Households buy canned corned beef for convenience, militaries for rations, and disaster relief organizations for critical emergencies. Entire cows are transformed into uniform, safe, long-lasting cans within hours, using machines few people ever witness. The journey begins with a truck, as refrigerated trailers roll into the factory yard, carrying raw beef cuts. Large primal cuts of raw beef, dense, dark red, and cold, are carefully unloaded from the trailers.
Raw meat destined for corned beef sits stacked in bulk on steel trays and hanging hooks.
Forklifts and hydraulic lifts move heavy crates of raw beef from the trucks toward the intake docks.
The intake air stays cold and heavy, filled with the scent of raw beef awaiting processing.
Tons of raw beef move continuously from the trucks into large refrigerated storage coolers nearby. This is industrial food production at its rawest stage, long before anything resembles a finished can. Automated trimming stations use sharp blades and conveyors to separate usable lean meat from waste.
Powerful water jets wash away blood residue and debris, keeping the trimmed beef clean and safe.
This cleaning stage exists for one reason: consistency and safety in every future can of corned beef. Sanitizing sprays pass over the beef, eliminating bacteria before the meat continues toward mixing stations. Once cleaned, the beef is chilled again briefly, keeping it firm for the next mechanical stage. Firm, chilled, and thoroughly cleaned beef now waits, staged and ready for the cutting hall ahead. Trolleys move the cleaned, chilled beef steadily forward, heading toward the factory's cutting and mixing hall. Trimmed beef now moves into the cutting and mixing halls, entering the next stage of transformation. Industrial grinders slice the trimmed beef into smaller, uniform chunks, ready for careful blending ahead. Blending machines combine the ground beef with a carefully measured recipe of seasoning and curing agents. Precise amounts of salt are measured and added, since even a small variance changes the final taste. Curing agents are added next, an essential step that determines the shelf stability of every can. Measured spices are blended into the mixture, shaping the signature flavor customers expect in every can. A small amount of gelatin and broth is added, binding the mixture together into one cohesive blend. Massive mixing drums rotate steadily, combining meat and seasoning into a smooth, evenly blended texture.
The blend's texture gradually becomes smoother and more consistent as the rotating drums continue mixing.
Operators monitor the mixing drums closely, confirming the blend has reached the correct final consistency.
This is the moment raw beef truly becomes corned beef, shifting from firm muscle into workable blend. The moldable corned beef blend now waits, fully seasoned and ready for the cooking stage ahead. The seasoned meat mixture is fed into steam cooking chambers, beginning the most critical stage yet. Controlled heat inside the chamber begins breaking down proteins, gradually locking in rich, savory flavor. Pre-cooking tumblers gently heat the meat mixture beforehand, ensuring even texture throughout the entire batch. Digital sensors monitor the temperature continuously, keeping the cooking process precisely within safe operating limits. Cooking timing is tightly controlled by automated systems, since even small variations can affect the outcome. Equally, the system prevents overcooking, protecting the meat's texture from becoming tough or unappealing. As cooking continues, the meat's color visibly deepens, signaling the transformation nearing its completion.
The mixture's structure firms steadily under the heat, forming the texture familiar in every finished can.
Natural juices blend smoothly with the seasoning, creating the familiar rich flavor found in every can.
The cooking cycle nears completion, determining both the safety and signature taste customers expect every time. Freshly cooked corned beef mixture now moves forward, ready to be transported toward the filling lines.
The cooked meat mixture is transported to filling lines, where empty metal cans move rapidly along conveyors.
Automated fillers portion exact weights of corned beef into each can, ensuring every product matches perfectly.
Precision at this stage ensures every single can matches its intended weight before moving towards sealing. Immediately after filling, metal lids are placed precisely onto each can before the sealing process begins. High-speed seaming machines then crimp the edges of each can, forming a tight, airtight closure. The crimped seam locks each can shut completely, forming the foundation of long-term food preservation. This airtight seal is exactly what allows the can to stay preserved for years without refrigeration.
Robotic arms work steadily alongside the sealing line, keeping the production moving at incredible speed.
Sealed cans move at incredible speed along the conveyor, each one identical, sealed, and consistent. No can is allowed to leave this stage improperly sealed, protecting product safety at every step. Fully sealed corned beef cans now move steadily forward, ready for strict quality control testing ahead. Sealed cans travel through pressure testing stations, checking carefully for leaks before approval continues forward. Vacuum testing equipment checks each can further, identifying any weak seams that could compromise the seal. Any seam weakness detected during testing triggers automatic removal, protecting overall product safety standards. Metal detectors scan every passing can, searching carefully for any unwanted foreign particles inside. Salt levels within each tested sample are measured precisely, confirming consistent flavor across every batch. Cans that are dented, underweight, or improperly sealed are removed from the line immediately.
Only cans that pass every strict check are trusted enough to continue toward the labeling area. High-speed label wrappers apply printed wrap labels onto each can as it moves along the conveyor. Batch codes are printed onto every can, allowing full traceability throughout the entire supply chain. Expiry dates are added precisely, ensuring every customer knows exactly how long their can will last. Robotic arms group the labeled cans into cartons, arranging them neatly for the next stage. Conveyor systems guide the filled cartons steadily toward the palletizing station further down the line. Shrink wrap machines secure entire pallets of cartons, protecting the product safely during upcoming transport. The wrapped pallets stand secure and stable, fully protected against damage during long-distance transport ahead. What was once a single unmarked can now becomes part of one uniform, fully labeled batch. Thousands of identical corned beef products now stand ready, prepared for the next stage of shipping. Fully packaged corned beef pallets now move steadily toward the entrance of the storage warehouse. Palletized corned beef cans are moved into massive warehouse storage areas, ready for organized stacking. Pallets are stacked several stories high, filling the towering steel racks throughout the warehouse. Automated forklifts and guided vehicles lift the pallets carefully onto towering steel storage racks. Barcode scanners track every pallet's location, feeding accurate data directly into inventory tracking systems. Inventory management systems update automatically, ensuring accurate stock levels across the entire warehouse. Older stock moves out first, keeping the entire supply chain efficient and reducing unnecessary waste. For a short time, the finished corned beef waits here, safely packed and fully sealed.
Forklifts pull corned beef pallets carefully from the racks, moving them toward the loading docks.
Pallets move steadily toward the loading docks, where waiting trucks prepare to receive the shipment. Trucks and shipping containers wait patiently at the dock, ready to receive the finished cans. Conveyor systems and automated loaders move cartons efficiently into the waiting trucks and containers.
Place that one tightly on the left.
Okay, making sure it's secure.
We have room for 2 more layers here.
From here, shipments travel by road, rail, or sea, heading steadily toward distant regional distributors.
The factory's job is nearly finished. The product now enters the wider distribution supply chain. Rows of corned beef now sit within the canned goods aisle, ready and waiting for shoppers.
A male African-American customer picks up a can of corned beef, considering how it fits their daily needs.
At checkout, that can, once raw beef in a cold truck, is now a finished, trusted product. At checkout, that can, once raw beef in a cold truck, is now a finished, trusted product.
Let me get you a nice big slice of that point cut.
Oh, thank you. It smells wonderful.